When you hear about hypersonic, carrier-killer missiles in the news, it's easy to picture a multi-billion-dollar supercarrier as a massive, sitting duck. But the reality is that trying to hit an American carrier strike group is like trying to punch a ghost wrapped in a titanium fortress. A supercarrier doesn't just sit there and take the hit. It outsmarts, blinds, and obliterates incoming smart missiles using a crazy complex 4-layer defensive shield. Long before a missile even gets close enough to see the ship, it has to survive a brutal gauntlet of electronic trickery and explosive firepower. The first line of defense is all about keeping the enemy completely in the dark. The ocean is mind-bogglingly huge, and a supercarrier is constantly on the move, cruising at over 35 miles per hour. To lock onto it, an enemy has to rely on satellites, drones, or radar planes. The carrier strike group totally disrupts this using advanced electronic warfare systems. They can jam enemy communications, hack drone feeds, and blast out ghost radar signals that make the carrier look like it's miles away from its actual location. If a missile does manage to get fired in the right direction, it runs straight into the outer ring of the defense network. This layer belongs to the carrier's bodyguards, the Arleigh Burke-class destroyers. Equipped with the legendary Aegis combat system, these ships scan the sky from the edge of space down to the sea surface. It basically treats incoming missiles like a high-stakes game of Space Invaders, swatting them down while they are still way out on the horizon. For any missile lucky enough to survive the outer ring, things get weird in the inner ring, thanks to soft-kill countermeasures. Smart missiles rely on their own internal radar or heat-seeking eyes to lock onto the ship in their final seconds of flight. To break this lock, the fleet launches Nulka decoys and chaff clouds into the air. Nulka is a hovering rocket that mimics the exact electronic signature of a massive aircraft carrier, tricking the missile's brain into chasing a ghost. The absolute last line of defense is the hard-kill inner layer, and it is pure chaos. If a missile breaches everything else, it only has seconds left before impact. At this point, the carrier's automated point defense systems wake up. Super-fast rolling airframe missiles launch in rapid-fire succession to blow the threat apart at close range. Finally, if it gets too close, the legendary Phalanx CIWS, a computer-controlled 20mm rotary cannon nicknamed R2D2 with an attitude, spits out a literal wall of tungsten bullets at a rate of 4,500 rounds per minute. By shredding the incoming missile into scrap metal right at the doorstep, the supercarrier ensures that even the smartest weapons meet a very sudden, violent end.